Hey everybody, welcome to Brother X. Hi everybody, I am going to do a sneezing video. So I have white pepper, black pepper. This is pepper tops ground up. This is the peppers that I grew last year and I turned into hot pepper powder, and this is Carolina Reaper powder. So we're going to see just out of these ones which one would make a better sneezing powder for me. So I've been under the weather for the last week, but that's okay. I've been doing a lot of sneezing without peppers, so I thought, why don't I sneeze away here? All right, let's get on this.